Some editing.
Sorry, we cut out there for a second. We're back. Brian's eating his Choco Rooms.
The Choco Boy was delicious.
Yeah, those are nice.
All right.
By Orion.
I want those banana ones now. I don't know why. I just don't like the taste of bananas. And chips doesn't sound like it's gonna go good.
We'll let Brian open one. Be gentle with the bag.
Enough bags to tell you. The Japanese know. Well, those Asians, I guess you could say. They know how to seal a bag.
They have tiny hands. They get to these here.
Just the kids still get It's too full of air, is what it is. Holy shit. It's still in the pot.
Here.
Peanut and the X-Men can't get it.
Well, it's the fact that my hands are so slippery. I can't even, my hands are just sliding right off.
We're just crumpling the bag. Alright. Third try.
Oh, that works.
Congratulations, gentlemen.
I failed in first grade.
Oh, that really smells like banana.
Nana Buzz.
Oh.
Not even screw around.
Alright, pop it in.
Oh. So bad. Mistake?
No, this is not.
Record yourself. What do you think?
Just straight, I hate banana.
Banana Laffy Taffy is the flavor.
You think so?
Yes.
I don't know here.
It's so banana-y, though.
I don't think I'd just snack on these, though. It's a try it and stop eating.
It doesn't taste bad.
It's way too strong. It's straight banana. I just taste straight
It tastes like a banana runt, but no, I don't know. That wasn't bad. I probably wouldn't buy these again.
No. I just don't banana.
You gentlemen want to do another mochi, or do you want to just skip to the Pocky? Because these go stale.
What? The Pocky?
The mochi.
Oh, the mochi.
Well, then, don't fuck the mochi, then. We'll go with the Pocky. You better open that right, or Cal will kill you.
Oh.
Oh,
This one's easy.
give me this.
Yeah, let's try to open it.
See that?
Yeah, I see you
Impressive.
fail.
Yeah, I don't know what you're going to do with those. If you snack them, God help you.
Saw. Is this just white chocolate?
Yep. The stick's different. It's a wheat stick as well.
It tastes a little different, but it tastes really good.
Good.
Yeah.
Different than the normal Pocky, huh?
I'm not going to lie. I kind of want to...
The almond Pocky's still the best. It's the winner.
Yeah, I was going to say, I kind of want to go back to the almond Pocky.
I like this.
There's a lot more Pocky in the ivory than in the almond, though.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I can't get the banana taste out of my mouth.
Finish your mochi. That'll do it.
Yeah, Kenny, go. Finish the mochi. Go, go, go.
Absolutely not.
All at once.
I can't.
And be a man, Brian. Go.
Dude, it's gonna...
Eat yours and eat mine. Go.
No! I just want to take the
Yeah, that...
And the fruit out of
the
that?
fruit out.
I don't
See how
know.
that tastes on its own. Because it's supposed to make you happy.
Yeah, see?
It's still the same I don't know.
It's the initial flavoring, it just...
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
It tastes banana.
Well, we gonna do peanut?
I want to get the
Well, I don't like this.
I didn't enjoy the first mochi. I got very messed up. Yeah, it's so bad.
Pop it. Do it. You're a man.
Taco chips.
That's what I had. I had to get the banana.
Nope.
They don't taste that bad at all. I figured they would taste the worst of
No,
all.
I really like these.
I don't know. I like the shrimp.
Pop a whole bunch in your mouth. They're so shrimpy.
That's a lot of shrimp.
I told you.
When it's not lighted, it tastes like fish food.
Yep. Do it individually, it's fine, but if you do it all together, it's just an overwhelming taste. I'm just gonna get rid of this.
And there you have it, gentlemen. That was our trip to the Asian market this afternoon. If any of you guys have ever tried any of this stuff, let us know.
Wait. Mystery bottle.
Oh, we're not opening that. It's just gonna be like a,
Mystery bottle. Oh, no.
Yeah, if you eat that, we'll open the mystery bottle.
Oh, thank God. Look at him, the champ. You gotta finish it.
You gotta finish.
Screw the mystery bottle. It's too much.
Oh, here, we'll open the mystery bottle. We'll try it. Yeah.
I at least attempted.
Yeah, touche.
There's nothing in English on this bottle, so we have no idea what it is.
Oh. I hope it's almond pocky.
Almond pocky flavor. That'd be really good.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna punch it. Oh.
That one wasn't really as intense as the other ones.
Just do it. Don't even smell it.
It doesn't smell like anything.
I hope it's not water. Can you place it?
No.
Let me try to place it.
Not water. It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. I can't put my finger on it.
It's not anything in particular.
Something melony.
No, I don't think it's melon. I mean, we have melon over here, and
I can't put my finger on it, honestly. It's good.
I don't know, but it's good.
all right. Well, there you have it, guys.
Alright, we're done.
Yep. If any of you guys have ever tried any of this stuff, let us know better ways to eat it, and do you like it? Whatever.
Don't try mochi.
Later. Mochi's okay. Don't try the lychee mochi. I'm sure the peanut butter one will be okay. Maybe we'll make a video later trying that. Bye-bye.